Hello everyone, new video at Wealthy Primate. In today's video we are going to talk about Bitcoin of course, and also other altcoins, FETCHaI, WORLDCOIN, and LAYERZERO, ADA, CARDANO, some other altcoins. So overall, basically this is what we were expecting, and I said in the last video, if you go and watch the last video, I said this is the area that you expect something like this, some type of a rally, and probably we go as high as 75k, by the way. So actually, which is confluence between this high, okay, this one that you see here, and also we go here, we find this cluster or this order block, this resistance, and probably we are going to do something which is could be similar to the triple top. So we have the one here, second, then the third here, then we maybe do something like this, then you eventually we start to lose it, then I don't know, maybe at 52k we start to go higher, and as I said before, I'm expecting October to be the last dump of Bitcoin. I just want to clarify something, that you cannot use time as a reference, but in this case, if you watch the last video, which is really interesting, this is pinpoint each time, like it happened this way. So as you can see here, so from the top to the bottom, I wrote this, or I put here that it could be the bottom, because we have 364 days, which is 1 year. Why I did this? Because here back in 2021 to November 2022 we had exactly 1 year from the top to the bottom. And also if we go back here, same thing. So we had from the top to the bottom 1 year, and from the bottom to the top of the bull run 1064 days. We have here 1057 days, and this is on the weekly. This is why it's not the same, because if I go on the daily, and I have done this in the last video, just go and watch it, you will find them both 1060 days. So this is why I base it that historically each year we hit the bottom. So why it could be any different this year? I'm expecting the bottom to be around here, at least 40k or even less, but for now we have to adhere to data, and we are seeing that the price now is trying to reverse to the upside. So one thing you should put in mind, that this scenario will not be valid, is if we take this level at 97k. Why? Because if we take this level, it means that now we started to make higher highs. Okay, so we have the high, we have the low, we have the lower high, then we have a lower low, then we have a lower high. Then now if we start to go above this at 97k, it's a trend reversal. And actually, even if we go as high as these levels, it's still not an uptrend. Why? Because here we didn't close below this levels, we just swept the lows and we didn't close. So this becomes your low that you should close below. So you can see it's a downtrend continuation. But what happened is just we swept the lows here, and we trying to gain some momentum to hit back these areas. And as I told you, I think we can hit 75k during this rally, and then we consolidate. And then as I said, July I think it will be bullish. So this is about Bitcoin. Nothing really happened. Everything that happened was expected to happen, and I have talked about this in the last videos. So now we jump to LAYERZERO, which is really interesting. I have talked about this before, and I told you exactly this in the old videos, like some videos I made, I think 2 months ago or 3 months ago. Since we hit this low, I said price will go again to this level, and as we can see now, we are seeing some type of reaction. So we need at least to see some type of impulsive move from here. We started to see it today on LAYERZERO, and this is good actually, but we need more. We need more momentum, we need more volume, more power to go high. So I think if we start to go as high as $1.75 here, okay, if we clear this, of course we have here some resistance. I think from there we can hit $2.5. But if we lose this one, which is something that I don't want to happen, most likely we are going to go to these levels from 50 cents to 30 cents, and probably price there, if we don't find any support, is going to zero. You cannot save this coin. So hopefully price starts to go high from here and everything will be fine. And actually I'm a bit optimistic about the market, since I know if there is another dump in the whole market, probably it will be the last one before everything goes higher. So now we talk about Fetch.ai. So Fetch.ai on the daily now is still holding this level, and I told you before, if you remember, even if you drop here, it's fine. It's something that we call power of 3. So you have your accumulation, then manipulation, then your distribution. This is what I think can happen if you lose this level or this level at 13 cents. So this is your area of entering Fetch.ai. WorldCoin also is doing exactly what I have told you in the last videos. I said we will go back again, test, then we consolidate up here, and probably after we consolidate here, price will go as high as $1. So I'm still thinking that WorldCoin eventually will hit $1, probably even before Bitcoin goes lower or hit a new bottom. So this is, I'm trying to make everything fast, because I cannot cover all the coins in one video, and that's why I created one Telegram channel that I just send technical analysis there with pictures. So it's much easier for me to just make the analysis and copy or save the picture, send it to Telegram. So it would be awesome from you to follow my Telegram page, and actually we are now over 30 members, so you will find the link in the description. Join the Telegram channel, and you can ask me in the comment any coin that you want to be analyzed, and I will just publish or post the analysis on Telegram. So the same name is Wealthy Primate as well, but still I will put the link down in the description. And another coin which I want to add at the last one is ADA Cardano, since so many people are bearish on ADA Cardano, but I don't think it's actually a bad thing, since we are holding this level. If we go on the weekly, I have talked about this before. I said this is actually a great entry area for ADA Cardano. So it's up to you guys if you want to enter here. Of course, better to put stop loss, or if you don't trust any more altcoins, that's up to you. You just want to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, that's still great. So I don't want to make this video long. As I said, please join our Telegram channel. We are now over 30 members, and I'll be glad to guys see you on there as well. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel and like the video, share it with your friends. Have a good day.